Welcome back to Your Mortgage Matters TV. My name is Roger Grubb and I am your host. As a mortgage broker, it's not only my job to find you a suitable mortgage to meet your short and long-term goals, but it's also to educate you on mortgage financing process. This way, you'll be empowered to make sound financial decisions when it comes time to arrange your next mortgage. In the last episode, I gave you an overview of credit, how it works, how it impacts you, what factors go into determining your credit score. Things like your payments, capacity, length of time on the bureau, types of accounts, and inquiries. Today, I'll be focusing on payments. We all know that when we borrow money, we have an obligation to repay the amounts borrowed with interest, either in full or by installments over time. From the standpoint of the credit bureau, the most important thing you can do to effectively manage your credit is to make sure that your payments are made on time. Now, let me clarify. When I'm speaking about your accounts, I'm talking about your credit cards, lines of credits, or any other revolving accounts you may have that's being reported to the credit bureau. Now, I understand that loans, leases, in some cases mortgages are also reported to the credit bureau. However, they have less of an impact on your credit score than the other types of accounts that I mentioned. And in fact, I'll actually be speaking about that when we get to the section on types of accounts. For now, I'll confine my comments to the accounts where you have the ability to affect the balances on a monthly basis. I came across a situation once where a client of mine had difficulty qualifying for a mortgage that he was trying to arrange. He was a successful lawyer, just made partner with a large law firm, and at the time he was earning a six-figure income. The situation was when we checked his credit, his payments were always late. He just never had time with his heavy caseload to do his bookkeeping. So what he would do is he would make a large lump sum payment every 3 or 4 months for what he thought he owed. Now, his balance were always paid. However, because the system is time driven, his payments were always late. Your payments account for 35% of the weighting that goes into making up your overall score. So this component cannot be overlooked. My tip for managing this component is for you to contact your credit card companies and or the financial institution that set up your lines of credit and have them enroll you in their pre-authorized payment plan for at least the minimum payment. This way, you'll ensure that you'll never miss a payment and your credit will always be protected. In the next episode of Your Mortgage Matters TV, I'll be discussing the second element of your credit profile, your capacity. Until next time, thanks for tuning in. I'm Roger Grubb, wishing you a wonderful day. Money, 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 money.